There was a boy, a very strange enchanted boy. He traveled very far, over land and sea. He was a little shy and sad of eye, but very wise, wise was he. Oh, but then one day, one magic day, he passed my way. He spoke of many things, fools and kings, but this he said to me: the greatest thing, oh, that you'll ever learn is to love and be loved in return. There was a boy, a very strange enchanted boy. He traveled very far, over land and sea. He was a little shy, oh, and sad of eye, but very wise, wise was he. Oh, but then one day, magic day, he passed my way. He spoke of many things, fools and kings, but this he said to me, said the greatest thing, oh, that you'll ever learn is to love and be loved in return.